and then I take the brick. Can you stop? Okay,
Guys, better than you.
Yes!
You didn't even do an intro, Charlie. You gotta do an intro, bro.
Hey guys!
Hey everybody, my name's Markiplier!
Fucking serious.
Stop holding on to me, Kick! Stop!
We have to go up. You have to go up. Go up.
Mateo!
Charlie, let go of me! Let go of me, Charlie!
You were holding on to me! You were holding on to me, bro!
Hello everyone, welcome to Rain.
Hello everybody, my name is Marka Pichel, and today we're playing. Wait, I want to turn this into a bomb.
Well, he ate it. You see that? Now try pressing the throw button.
Making music. I'm turning it. Bomb.
What the fuck?
Bomb.
Oh! Pink guys! Down here.
Where is he?
He's over here. Alright, throw one.
Get the way.
Oh god, that did not work. Alright, go. Go.
Hello everybody, my name is Marka Pichel, and today we're playing Rain Sex with Children and Kill Them Simulator.
After Epstein, what are you doing here?
Guys, if I need to, I will suicide bomb into them.
Alright, well, please don't do
It
that.
doesn't-
Uni momento. What?
Hey, you stole it from
Take
me,
it
you
to.
fuck.
Yeah, there. Oh god. Come on, go, 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 go through the hole! Oh,
Silly, I got eaten. Well, the bomb stick is still there if you want it.
alright. Huh?
Oh, it's following my.
Why? Why is it doing that? Oh!
Jesus.
Oh my god! Help! 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 Oh, okay. Alright, next time don't die, please.
Get in the hole, you idiot!
Wait, you're... Go!
Guys, I fell in the hole.
It's okay.
Okay, I swear to God, you guys need to get away from me because I have two.
Oh, I was about to throw a rock at you.
Rocket,
Like a.
One rocket and then all, bro.
Oh,
Stop it, Mateo! What are you doing, yo?
give me the.
Alright, come on, guys, let's go.
Oh my, Mateo, what are you doing, bro? You autismo.
Let's see.
Why are we going over here again?
We gotta go back and hibernate because we got enough food.
Oh.
Come on, we gotta open that gate, remember, guys? We're on, like, cycle 100.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, there's no lizard in here. What the fuck is that? Oh, I actually went back.
Oh.
My fault. It literally went into our hole.
Whee! No, went into the hole next to it. Oh, wait, no, it went into our hole.
Get back here so I can spear it.
Whoa! What the fuck? I think
Okay,
you should
Brooks,
get over here. I think you...
Oh, they're fighting. Wait, I want to watch this happen.
Cakestain, get over here.
Oh, damn.
Damn,
Okay,
that's
yeah,
crazy.
In the hole.
Dude, it's beating the shit out of this guy.
Holy shit.
If that thing comes up here, I'm gonna spear it because I don't trust that guy.
I'm walking.
I'm dead!
Charlie, you died!
Go save me! Wait, go save me.
Oh, this fella's in here. Hey, buddy.
Yeah, he lives there with us.
I dodged him. Get in here. Get in here. Oh, should I come back? Actually, I might have to come back.
No, do not come back.
Go!
Wait, Charlie, pick me up, please. I really gotta do something.
What?
That sex with Charlie.
Alright, I'm not carrying you anymore, you lazy poop head.
No, please.
Why?
I'll carry him if you can teach me how.
Just hold, grab. There.
Okay, let's go.
Let go! Alright, Mateo, can you stop, being lazy, bro?
Make a deal, mama's so skin. She wanna want my purple pickle up and a win. No. Charlie, you really want me to tell you
What?
I'm playing Bloodborne on the side.
Are you actually, bro?
Wow, you're so
Dude!
Yeah, I'll come back now.
Alright.
Ow, you fuck. I'm spawning you next time we spawn.
I dare you. I triple dog dare you. Wait, we're on the day where we could go open the gate. I swear to God, if any of you die,
Casey, grab him! You stupid idiot!